Greetings, lovely people. Welcome back to Sister J's Kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. To all my channel members and all my supporters, a big thank you. Silent viewers, big up yourself. Let's make curry fish and bammy. My way, my version, and my style. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say, Sister J. The food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cook me, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like, sister.
So here I have the fish. I have a large fish here. And this is wild caught pargy. So I'm washing this fish with some lime. And then I'll be seasoning the fish. So I'm just running some cold water. You can also add vinegar to it if you choose, but I'm just using lime. So now that I finished washing the fish, I'm just pat drying it before I start to season the fish. As you can see, I put a large slice right there so I can put some seasoning in it. And I do that on both sides. I'm using some adobo, some fish seasoning, some black pepper, and some red pepper flakes. When you're in your kitchen, you use your seasoning of choice. I'm in my kitchen, so I'm using the seasoning of my choice. Here I have all the seasoning that I'm going to be using to season the fish here, and I'm just combining them. Adobo, fish seasoning, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. So here I'm going to go ahead and pour a small portion of oil on the fish so the seasoning can hold on to the fish nicely. Yes. And you use whatever oil of your choice too for that. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button. Put the post notification bell on so you'd be notified of future upload. Right here in Sister J's Kitchen, I talk about food, I cook food, and of course, I eat food. So I'm going to go ahead and season the fish on both sides, and then I go inside. You can also do it inside out, but I'm just doing it this way right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and season this fish nicely, massage it down, you know. And this is a large fish, guys. I know when you're doing curry, you cut up whatever you're doing in small pieces, but with me, not with fish. Because if I cut up this fish in small pieces, then it's going to disappear out. So I rather to do my whole fish just like so. But to each their own. You can also take the head off if if you're afraid of the fish head and the eyes. If you're not, you can just leave the head on. So here I have my bammy over here. And this bammy comes straight from Jamaica. So normally I would soak my bammy in milk if I go fry my bammy. But here I'm just soaking it in some salt water just for me to cut it nicely and just so it don't suck up the curry. So when it go in the curry and it's already wet, it's already have its liquid inside, it's not gonna suck up the sauce out the pot. Yes. So over here I have the pot on the fire and I'm adding a small portion of oil. Then I'm going to add the garlic and the onion to that. I'm going to saute it down a little, then I add my curry in. You can always add the curry first and then you add your onion and your garlic. But I'm just sauteing this down in the oil so you get that nice aroma, and then I add the curry. And I'm using Better Pack curry, and I'm not getting paid for advertisement, but that's my number one choice of curry. And guys, this curry smells so good when you're getting it burned like this. Smell good. I'll be using the coconut cream. So I'm adding some water now. And then I add my coconut cream to that. You can use your fresh coconut milk if you have. Here I just had some green seasoning. And this is homemade green seasoning made in Sister J's kitchen. So now I'm just mixing out the coconut cream in the curry sauce. Yes, guys. And if you love curry like me, you're gonna love this curry fish if you try it. Yes, I love curry, and when it comes to curry, you curry where you want for curry, you know? Yes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my scallion and my bell pepper to the sauce. And I kind of cut my bell pepper up in chunks. Yes. Because somehow I like my bell pepper them crunchy. And I think if I slice them thin, I'm not going to get that kind of crunch me I look for. Since as a curry me I do. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoned fish to the curry sauce. And you can see this fish well seasoned. And this is after 4 hours, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and put some sauce on top and in the belly of the fish. Yes, guys, so it can absorb the curry in nicely. Because when it comes to curry, you're not going to throw no heap of water in it. Yes. And I fish me a curry down. So, yeah. I don't want too much of liquid in that. Just like a steamed fish, but it's in curry sauce. And this smells so good. I'm adding pimento and thyme. Now I'm adding a hot pepper. See it right there, so and green hot pepper. And now I'm adding the bammy. Now curry my bammy. Nobody say you never see nobody curry bammy yet. This is my way, my version, and my style. Me feel to eat curry bammy, so me a curry the bammy and me a curry the fish. Okay. So nobody can say, oh, Miss Sister J, a curry bammy. Me never see nobody curry bammy yet. Me curry it and it tastes good. Now more you go try it. Come back and tell me your taste. All right. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. That's the beauty of it. When you're in your kitchen, you try what you want. You cook what you want. You experiment with what you want. And there you are. If it tastes good to you, you can introduce it to somebody else. And me, I tell you, me try this all the time and it tastes good to me. So I'm introducing it to the world. Curry fish with bammy. It tastes real good. Please try it. So now I just had some butter. I'm going to put the butter on top of the fish because I want it melt down on the fish. I'm just using some plant-based butter. But you can use any butter of your choice for this one. You know, but I'm using some plant-based butter right now. Yes. And now I'm going to add some fish seasoning. And then I'm going to cover down the pot. I make it simmer down. And guys, look at the fish and the bammy. Yes, this smell good. Yes, my beautiful people. There you have it. My steam curry fish. Curry steam fish. Curry fish and bammy. Sister J's way, Sister J's version, and Sister J's style. I thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, where you wait pan, go ahead, man, do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.